Hello, in front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and vice versa. First, we need to open the file manager on our phone. To do it, you can swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and then find the application called Files. Or if you have any different file manager, you can also open it. We're gonna use the default one, the Google one. So let's tap on Files to open the file manager. And now make sure that the Browse category is selected. On this page, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the storage devices, and you have internal storage and SD card. First, we want to copy the files from the internal storage to SD card. So let's select the internal storage to open the storage, of course. And right here we have the list of folders located on our phone, basically in the internal storage. Now, let's find the files we want to move. So for example, I'm gonna open the DCIM folder, photography, and here we have a couple of photos. Let's say I want to move them to SD card. To do it, simply press and hold on 1 to enter the selection mode. Select the files you want to move. I'm gonna select all of them, but you can select 1 or 2 or multiple. Once you select the files, tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Select the option called Move To. Find the SD card and tap on it, and it should open the SD card. And here we have the list of folders located on our SD card. We can open a folder by tapping on it, for example. We can also add a new folder. We can tap on Add New Folder. So for example, I'm gonna open DCIM, tap on Add New Folder, name it Moved Files, and tap Move to Folder. So if you create a new folder, you will have the option to move to the folder. So if you create the folder, it will automatically move the files into that folder, as you can see. So now if I go to the home page of the app, to the browse page, select SD card, DCIM, moved files. Here I have the files. Okay, so let's say you want to move the files from the SD card to the internal storage. It's quite the same way. Basically, you just the different thing is that you open the SD card rather. Find the files you want to move. So let's open the moved files. Select the files you want to move. For example, this time we're gonna select only 2. Tap on the More Options button. Tap on Move To. Select internal storage. Now find the folder you want to move the files into. So I'm gonna open DCIM, Photography Pro, and then you can again create a new folder, or this time I'm gonna tap on Move Here button to move the files into this folder. So I'm gonna tap on Move Here, and now we can go back to the browse page, select internal storage, DCIM, Photography Pro rather, and here we have our files. And that's how you transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and vice versa. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.